Okay, let's just continue. Physics for engineers, dynamics. So we have 19. At the surface of Jupiter's moon Io, the acceleration due to gravity is g, 1.81 meters per second squared. So gurguti. A watermelon weighs 44 newton at the surface of the Earth. What is the watermelon's mass on the Earth's surface? Watermelon weighs 44 newton at the surface of the Earth. What is the watermelon's mass on the Earth's surface? So, ito didiretso mo ito pag-divide because this is Earth. So, you could expect a pull of gravity which is 9.8. So, the mass of the watermelon is just 44 divided 1.8. So, the mass of the watermelon weight is equal to mg. So, the weight is given to be 44 newton. 44 newton. So, that would be mass and then 9.80665 meters per second squared. So, positive na lang kay negative mag-happy ng aton weight. Negative pa di. So, you can negative this one, you can negate this one. So, pareho lang. So, you have mass would be 44, balyantat newton hin, kilogram meters per second squared. Kasama ito imo newton, that is 1 kilogram with an acceleration of 1 meters per second squared. Okay, and then you would have 9.80665 meters per second squared. So, cancel ini. You would have 44 divided by 9.80665, and that will give you 4.49 kilogram. And then next question, what is the watermelon's mass on the Earth's surface? What are its mass and weight on the surface of Io? So for surface at Io, of course, that would be mg, since the g there is not the g on Earth. So, but the mass still the same. Diba? What are its mass and weight? So, ang iyang mass, amo lagi hapon. Mass would be the same. So, ani na kita din ni, nalilipat kasi kita kay, itatong gagamit nga timbangan didi is nakadepende ha weight. Pero actually, definition imo mass is dirtiya nag-iiba. Bisan diing ka nga lugar. So, makurtiya i-measure. Diba? Ito nakasimple kasi amo nakakapaltay kitang timbangan nga barato kay sumeringani kasi ani mo mass amo tiya iihapon daw nimot imo molecule with respect to the Avogadro's number, and then you could already count what is the mass. So talaga makurya mag-imagine kay itatong gagamit nga mga pantimbang dinhi is naka-weight ito iya. Kita niyo? So but anyway, mass doesn't change on Moon Io. The mass still 4.49 kilogram on Moon Io, while the weight would be different. So 4.49 actually 4.486751 kilogram multiplied by your acceleration due to gravity, that is 1.81 meters per second squared. So maiba gud man iya weight. The mass would be the same pero iya weight maiba. The weight would be 8.12 and 8.12 newton. The weight of that on Io. Okay? So, mga simple lang there actually, mga preliminaries. So, diretso kita actually iton mga surulbon gud to chapter 5.